Hello guys, what's poppin' y'all? Today we are solving Ishaan loves chocolate problem. In this question, we are given an array which indicates the tastiness level of the array. In each step, we have to estimate the greedy way in which Ishaan can eat all the tasty chocolate bits first and leave the least tasty bit for his sister. It is also given that he can either eat the chocolate pieces from the starting or the ending at one point. So if we see the example given here, he will first eat the last one and then from the last 9, 6, 5 and 3, so that the piece which has value of 1 will be left. So now let's look at how to code. This is a classic two pointer greedy approach. We are declaring the left and right pointer, and then in the while loop we are defining when as long as the left pointer is smaller than right, and then if the right pointer value is greater than the left pointer value, we move the right pointer by 1. If not, if the left pointer is greater than the right pointer, we move the left pointer by 1. And then finally we return the left pointer, which is the only value that will be left. Oh, okay, I have kept a colon extra here. Let me remove that. And then okay, the test cases are passing. Okay, here there is a runtime error because this problem is taking more time than what is given in the question. This is the intuitive or interview approach that we can use to solve this question. To solve it in the minimum possible time, we can just use the minimum function and find the smallest value in the array. So now this code will run in the most optimized time possible. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in the next one.